The rack is completed in a right angle. You have many options to build and place where you want. 72 inches in width, about 70 inches in height. We have a heavy-duty garment clothes storage rack. Freestanding and portable. Build it where you need to have it. Take some measurements and we're going to install it right behind us and show you what it's all about. Check online for detail about package A1 or B3 and decide which one is for you. The box is heavy, and when opening, please make sure everything comes out nice and carefully. We have long bars, lower bars, cross racks, short bars, hooks, clips, hooks and bolts, and bottom screw-on thumb bolts, and an instruction guide. Have a scissors to cut the tie wraps to release the shells, and extra parts located inside. X Global makes a number of racks, different types of designs, so you can place on the wall an open area of your studio. You're going to throw away these two pieces here. You're going to get a whole bunch of them. They are not needed. You have over here is everything laid out. Your racks, your rectangular, your square, the bottom thumb bolts, the hooks, the pieces that are going to clip on. You don't need any tools. Your short bars, your long bars, your cross racks, and your hooks and all. Follow along on the instructions. It's very simple to build. We're going to show you how to get started in this build. We have 8 bars. They're lower bars, and they have bottom feet that get screwed on. You have 8 of them. Adjust them on to the lowest level. When you have all 8 on and lower down, proceed to the next step. So let's put all 7 others on. We have 2 pieces. One's a left, one's a right. And they simply slide over and they start to snap into place where you want to put them on all 8 bars of the same height. And that's it. When you start to slide them, they will snap into place. We're going to assemble on the bottom line for all. I'm going to repeat for all the shells in the back. And we're going to go to the double lines over here. And we're going to repeat for the other 3. The same goes, narrow on top. Slide on to the top piece of each one. Adjust, bring the shelves closer. And simply slide down and press. We have successfully completed the bottom. And then we take the next pair of bars, like so. And what they're going to do is you have screw-ons. A reminder, there are top bars, medium bars, and bottom bars. We have all the bars in and locked down. Slide the rack over. Match up all the areas. Everything squares off. Secure down. This is the important part where you put these pieces on to the side of both sides necks. We're then going to take the bar and let's make sure that we put it on the correct way of each side before we put on the next pieces. We slide down. We're going to take the long bar for our clothes rack, and we want to make sure that it sits inside like so. And then we could press this in and we're good to go. Place in the center. Slide on. Let's finish off our clothes rack by putting the rest of the bars on and placing all the tops on, and we're all done. We are completed with the clothes rack of one option. As you can see, you could put the bars on top for your clothes. You have one on the bottom. If you don't want to put the bars, this is what it will look like as one option. And the other option is to take this and place it on a right angle for different needs. You don't have to go as high. You could go any height you want with the system. We're going to show you what it looks like with some clothing on. A place to hang your hats. If you want to make it swivel, don't push down hard. The options for straight or right angle to hang your coats on the bottom or the top, like so. Putting heavy items like you see above, shoes in the center, shelves if you don't want the poles, and you have a beautiful storage rack that is portable, easy to assemble and take down and place anywhere. I hope you enjoy your product if this is the right storage racks for you. We're going to show you the right angle and what it looks like. The rack is completed in a right angle. You have many options to build and place where you want. If you don't want it on this particular way of the wall, it's pretty portable and it's not that super heavy, and it will move if you take your time to do so, like so. So we're able to have different types of looks to the rack. I hope this is something that you are looking for in a portable storage rack system, clothing, storage, whatever you want to put on it. This is the rack system that may be right for you.